Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Just purchased this deluxe wooden game house from TJ Maxx for 1999, and it has 10 games, 10 board games. Nowadays I know board games are not that famous anymore. People are all fond of all different kind of computer games or mobile, but I just want to purchase it for my daughter, so, and for us also, because it's nice, it looks nice and wooden. So it has these 10 different board games you can see from here. So let's open the box and see what's coming inside. Again, I got it from TJ Maxx Home Goods. It's for 1999, so very cheap, and it can be a very good gift for Christmas time. So that's why I thought let's better purchase it. And so it looks nice. Packaging is really nice. So you can see the packaging is really nice. So I think it's a very good gift for Christmas time. Oh, I think this is the other, it should be the other way. Let me open it. Okay, so this is really nice. So let me see. So this is one, and this is on top. This is the chessboard. This is another one on other side. Both side has something. So you can see the snake ladder and the Ludo regular. And they're giving everything here. All the stuffs are here. So all the things are available here. Also they are giving 3 dice. So that's all. So all 10 games. Here's the instruction. All 10 games are here. So that's really nice. It looks really nice. So you can play a lot of things here. So this is really nice. And again, it's only 20 bucks. This is Christmas time, and I think people will be like your kids. If you have kids, you can give a very nice gift to them, and they can play. And this is all things sits together. This is really nice. So friends, that's all about this product. Please let me know how do you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And this is really nice gift, I can say. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.